Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone and connect to Wi-Fi. Some provide solution. Press on to open it. Press on Wi-Fi settings. At first, press on to I option. Forget this network. Okay. Just forget this network, and you just restart your phone, volume up, volume down, and long press your power button. You just wait a few seconds, then restart your iPhone. Okay, and let's try to connect Wi-Fi. Long press on Wi-Fi settings. And now fix this problem. Now successfully connect my Wi-Fi. So that's it.